इट्स लाइक अ पार्ट 1, पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2 ऐसे करके होता है। पार्ट 1 AS होता है और पार्ट 2 A levels होता है, जो आप लोग कर रहे हैं। सो यू हैव हाउ मेनी A levels? Those of you who are doing your A levels? 3. You have 3. So just for example, what sorts of subjects? जैसे ये लड़की है, ये केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, जर्मन 3 सब्जेक्ट्स दे रही है। Similarly, anybody else?
Computing, economics and geology.
तो कंप्यूटर, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड जियोलॉजी, we don't get that offered here. जियोलॉजी माने जो रॉक्स की स्टडी होती है, वो हमारे यहाँ तो स्कूल में जियोलॉजी तो कोई पढ़ाता ही नहीं है। So that's wonderful. Anyone else who can tell us what A level you're going to take?
French, Russian, and maths.
तो इंडिया जो है, so economics, geography, political science, Hindi. Do you have political science?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah. Politics. Yeah.
Oh, you call it politics. ये उसको politics बोलते हैं। Sanskrit studies and physical education. और किसी का कोई फर्क सब्जेक्ट है इन लोगों से? पीछे बैठे हुए हैं जो? Yeah, Sanskrit is the original language from which came German and many others.
Because the Aryans moved towards northern and then into.
और कोई है जो कोई और सब्जेक्ट ले रहा? यहाँ पे 10th CSE लेवल और सबके सेम है ना? At GCSE level it is the same for all. Do you have different ones or is it the same?
You have to do 4 or 5 that are exactly the same. Everybody.
वो हिंदी के सब्जेक्ट और बाकी पॉलिटिकल साइंस एंड
This is again pursuing an honors in Hindi. So, and then in addition to that, you are also studying political science. Minors.
Political theory and political economy, and English and Hindi.
Is anybody here interested in pursuing politics at university? Oh, there she is. ये भी जाकर कॉलेज में politics पढ़ना चाहती है तुम्हारी तरह. Anybody for languages like?
In Kamalnegar College of Delhi University, and my subjects are political, 3 parts of political science, Hindi, English, and Gujarati.
So you know Shabnam, have you met her before?
I met her in the summer. Yes.
Because she lives right here.
Yeah.
And there are only 3 students from the whole of this area that have found a place in university. Shabnam is one of them.
I studied political science on first year and in Ramnala College.
तो इंग्लैंड में क्या होता है, कितना पढ़ना चाहिए कि अच्छा पढ़ा लिखा माना जाए, मतलब कितनी पढ़ाई होनी चाहिए?
He says that like if we become graduates in the slums, it's like a huge deal. Like our families would just go, oh my God, look, my son has gone to college, you know. So he's asking that at what level of education post your country like is like he says, oh my gosh, look at that, they've gone up. So 2 बड़े-बड़े यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं इनके देश में, एक ऑक्सफोर्ड है और एक कैम्ब्रिज है, जो पूरी दुनिया में माने जाते हैं। अगर आप कैम्ब्रिज और ऑक्सफोर्ड में आपको एडमिशन मिल जाता है तो समझ लो सारी जो इनका देश है वो बोलेगा ये इससे बढ़िया बच्चा तो Are you guys aspiring to get into Cambridge and Oxford? I'm sure you are. Well, a lot of you have gone to Cambridge and Oxford. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. She emailed us. वो कुछ है इनके स्कूल से जो कैम्ब्रिज में पढ़ रहे हैं, इनसे जो पहले का बैच है जो यहाँ आ चुके हैं आशा में, तो वो उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है अगर वो कैम्ब्रिज में पढ़ते हैं। Bablu, तो of course he is studying in a private professional institution called Arena, which is very famous over here. People really aspire to study in Arena, and it's a very expensive place to go to. You pay a lot of money for a 3-year animation degree course, and we got him a bank loan from a government bank, so that's how he's able to pursue his dreams. You want to tell them something, Bablu? तुम अपने बारे में कुछ बताना चाहते हो? बैठ के बात करो। इंग्लिश में बोलोगे? अच्छा। So I live in. He says that I had a great aspiration to become become something in life, do something in life, study, get somewhere. But I came from a very poor family. I hardly knew anything about computers, so I really didn't know where to begin. Since at the age of 9, I've been coming to Asha and I've been coming to the Bal Mandal over here. क्या ड्रीम था? What do you want to become?
I want to become an MBA.
She either wants to do her master's in business administration or she wants to join the civil service. And today, because of our association with the finance ministry, every single bank here, public sector bank, has said to us that, you can send thousands of